A very good morning to all my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you people are fine by the grace of Almighty. Myself, your history teacher, Afrin Miss. Now, children, in this lecture, we shall begin with the explanation part of the second chapter, Europe and India. Okay? We already finished till French Revolution. Now today we shall begin with the Industrial Revolution. What is Industrial Revolution, children? Industrial Revolution means, children, in the late 17th century and early 18th century there were many technological and industrial innovations have been emerged in Europe. Okay. In the later period of 18th century, there were many technological innovations in Europe. There was production with the help of machines running on steam. The cottage industries were replaced by big factories. Machines came to be used instead of handlooms. A railway and steamer became the mode of transportation. The age of machines began, and that is known as Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution began in England and then spread in other parts of West. During this period, England enjoyed industrial prosperity and came to be described as world factory. Now children, what happened in the period of 18th century? Many technological innovations has been invented in Europe. Okay, and even the production of machines running on steam has been produced. Even cottage industry was replaced by big factories. At the time they were having small cottage industry, but in the industrial revolution they get replaced by big factories. Even machine can be used instead of handlooms. What is handlooms, children? The machine which is operated by hand. Okay, but after that they have invented the machines that run on electricity. Okay, a railway and steamer became the mode of transportation. Now children, as they are doing the trade, and for trade they need transportation, so they were doing their transportation on railway and steamer. Okay, that is called the age of machine, and machines began at that time. Age of machines began, and that is known as Industrial Revolution. Okay, children. First, Industrial Revolution started in England, then it spread in other parts of the West. During this period, England enjoyed industrial prosperity. Prosperity means what, children? Prosperity means state of being happy. Okay. Now at that period, England enjoyed, and even this described as world factory. What is described as? It described as world factory. Okay.